Hi everyone, welcome to ST. Today I would like to share you my technique how to sprout mung beans with hot boiling water. Have you done this before? In this video you're gonna see the differences. Here we go. Step 1 for bowl 1. I use 1 cup of mung beans. Remove any split in half, bad one or unwanted beans out. Clean them with the water. Allow them a minute to sink down properly. Then you're gonna see the two separations, bad and good. I kept the good one that sank down. Floated one is bad. Please go ahead, discard them. Use a colander to drain off water and place it back to the same bowl. Step 2. I wanted my beans open and grow faster by adding 3 cups of hot boiling water into that bowl. Leaves open and soak it overnight. Disposable too. I use 1 cup of mung beans also. Cleaning instruction. Follow bowl 1 step 1. Step 2. Add 3 cups of warm water to it and I soak them overnight. These beans was soaked overnight. Please see the differences between hot water and warm water. Using boiling water, the beans open more faster. I can see the sprout coming up. This was bowl 2 with warm water. I didn't see any skin open yet. Before I removed them off from the water, I'd like to show you what tools I used to sprout my beans. 1 12 inches wide colander, 1 big bowl to put the colander in, 1 clean black garbage bag, and 1 clean towel or cloth to cover on the top. I drained the water off from bowl 1 to the blue colander. Discard the water and place colander into the same bowl. Bowl number 2, I transferred my beans into the pink colander and repeat the process as bowl number 1. I did my bean last rinse with the water before I put them to sprout. Spread them evenly. Use 1 bowl between to have space to allow the water dripping down when providing damps the water and avoiding to have raw bean sprouts also. I place my bowl inside the black plastic bag, tie it up and cover it with the towel or clean cloth. This bowl number 2, using pink colander, I proceed baking as bowl 1 also. I kept them about a week in the dark spot and providing them water twice every day. Hi guys, this is day 1. I open them up and let you guys compare which has grown faster. This blue colander use hot boiling water, grew more faster and longer. This pink colander used warm water. You can see the differences in this video. I sprayed water on my beans twice a day, and I returned them back into the same bowls, covered, left them in the dark spot, and I checked at them on the next day. Day 2, I repeated instruction as day 1. Day 3, I followed instruction as day 1 and day 2. You can see the differences in this video. I like to clean up my bean sprout on day 4. It can stay fresh more longer. I could keep it fresh more than a week in the fridge. If you like your bean sprouts grow longer, please continue until your desired needs. I love to share with you the easy way to remove the skin off. Let's get it started. I put water in a bowl of both my bean sprouts. Allow them 30 seconds to float, wiggling to allow the losing skin coming up. I removed and threw it away. Then I slide my fingers between to pick up the clean bean sprouts. I ensured the skins was removed at last. Then I discard any skin remain left on the bottom of the bowl, and I continued the cleaning process until my bean sprout was finished and completely done. Now I got my clean bean sprouts, guys. This video just sharing you my experience using hot boiling water to sprout my beans. Grew faster than regular warm water and save you time, guys. If you think this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to help me to click subscribe, like and share buttons below. Or you have any suggestions, better idea to share, please leave me comments below. Thank you so much for watching and take care. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.